If you want to build raw, animal-like strength, the kind that makes your body move with explosive power and control, you don't need fancy gym equipment or heavy weights. All you need is your body, a little space, and 6 exercises that train you like a gorilla building primal strength, full body coordination, and stability in just 3 weeks. These moves might look simple, but they'll challenge every muscle, every joint, and every ounce of your endurance. Let's get into it. First up, gorilla crawl. Get low to the ground, hands and feet planted, and crawl forward with control. Keep your hips down, core tight, and move with power. You'll feel it everywhere. Your shoulders, arms, legs, and especially your core. This movement builds coordination, stamina, and full body tension, just like a gorilla moving through the jungle. Go for 3 rounds of 30 seconds. Next, isometric push-up hold. Drop into a push-up, lower yourself halfway, and hold. Keep your elbows tucked, abs tight, and body straight. You're not just holding, you're fighting gravity. This static hold strengthens your chest, triceps, and shoulders, and it teaches your body control under pressure. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, rest, and repeat 3 times. Third, deep squat. Hold. Sink deep into a squat, keeping your heels down and chest up. Stay in that position and breathe. This simple hold builds hip mobility, ankle flexibility, and serious lower body strength. It trains your body to stay balanced and stable, exactly what you need for raw, grounded power. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds, 3 rounds. Now let's test your upper body endurance with the dead hang. Grab onto a sturdy bar, hang freely, and keep your shoulders slightly engaged. Don't relax completely, you want your back muscles firing. This exercise strengthens your grip, forearms, and shoulders while decompressing your spine. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds per round. Grip strength is one of the truest signs of real-world power. Next, bear plank shoulder taps. Start in a bear plank, knees hovering just an inch off the ground. Without twisting your hips, tap one shoulder, then the other. Go slow, keep your body still, and focus on control. This one hits your shoulders, core, and stabilizer muscles all at once. Do 3 sets of 20 taps total, and finally explosive jump squats. Drop into a squat and launch upward as powerfully as you can. Land softly, control the descent, and explode again. This builds speed, agility, and raw lower body strength, the kind that makes you move like an athlete. 3 sets of 12 reps, resting 45 seconds between sets. Now, here's what most people get wrong. They do these movements fast and sloppy, chasing fatigue instead of form. But true strength isn't about how fast you move. It's about how much control you have. Slow, precise movement builds deeper strength and better muscle activation. So here's your 7-day action plan. Perform these 6 exercises 3 times per week. For example, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Focus on controlled reps, steady breathing, and clean form. If you want faster results, add a second round at the end of week 2, but always prioritize quality over quantity. By the end of the first week, you'll notice better posture and muscle engagement. By the end of the third, you'll feel stronger, more stable, and more explosive, like your entire body's been rewired for power. Consistency is everything. Don't just watch this, commit to it. Do it for 3 weeks and watch how your body responds. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more science-backed, no-equipment workouts designed to help you move, look, and feel powerful wherever you are. Because real strength doesn't come from machines. It comes from mastering your own body.